Stop by and take a look at the 2017 MKC. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, power steering, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.